I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Twitch Go Live notifications for one channel on the Twitch website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.twitch.tv, and then click your profile icon on this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. Your Twitch settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Notifications. Notifications options are shown. Step 4. Click Per Channel. You'll see a list of all of the channels you follow on Twitch. Step 5. Find the Twitch channel you no longer want to get Go Live notifications for, and then click to set the toggle associated with that channel to off. You'll no longer receive Go Live notifications for that Twitch channel going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.